Hi guys, and welcome back to my vlog. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Kelly. I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below, and thank you so much for clicking onto my video. So today I'm going to bring you guys along with me on another summer vlog. I seriously have so much fun filming these videos for you guys, and I love bringing you guys along with me on my day. It's currently like 10:20. I've been up since 6:30. I went to Orange Theory Fitness this morning. I didn't vlog because my camera, the SD card, was full. I just have to swap those out and empty this one, but you know, we'll worry about that next. I went to Orange Theory. It was such a great workout. So then I came home and did a 7-mile bike ride around my neighborhood. It was a lot of fun. I've been into biking. It was just nice to get outside and everything, but I'm all dolled up. I'm so hungry. We're gonna go downstairs and get breakfast because I'm starving. I haven't ate anything yet, but my family is hosting a party. Like, me and my mom are hosting a wedding shower today, so we have it like all straightened up and everyone's coming over at 11. So I don't know if I'll bring out the vlog camera or not, but that is what we're doing today, and I'm just so excited. It's gonna be so much fun, but I'm so hungry, so we're gonna go get some food. Okay guys, so I made my smoothie. It is a chocolate smoothie with banana and ice. I keep it very simple, but it's only like 150 calories. So I eat this and a banana. It's awesome. Absolutely love it. I posted about it in some other vlogs as well, but I just used the Premier protein powder. But I got a package. The mailman came and delivered this morning, and it is from Scarlet and Scentbird. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm so excited about this. They emailed me. They're like, we'd love for you to do like a little review on your channel. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm super excited because they just started releasing their own like makeup subscription, which I think is going to be super cool. So I'm going to set you guys on a tripod. We're going to open this up. I have like 20 minutes before my family starts coming over, so that is the game plan. Okay, I got you guys on a tripod. I think it looks pretty level. Got my big ring light up. Got my package. I'm so excited to open this up. Okay, so it came in this white packaging. I'm not going to show you the bottom. It just has their sticker on it because it has my address. And opening it up, it comes in these two different little packages, but I think if you sign up for these, it's like one or the other, but you can get both, but I don't think they ship it together. I think it's just because I am like an influencer. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is the Scarlet. I'm super excited. This packaging is just gorgeous. I love how simple it is, but it's just like so dramatic that way. I will have all of this listed down below if you want to check it out. I've heard nothing but great reviews about this product. So when you open it up, it just opens up like this. I think it's so pretty. Again, I love how simple and like just modern it is. And it has this Scarlet's paper in it, and it says, "Hi Kelly, enjoy your new July/August Scarlet palette. Can't wait to see your looks. Hope you love it." From the team. Again, I got this as like an influencer, so I don't know if you'll get like the handwritten note, but super sweet. And then it just comes with the Meet Belle Jordan. This is her palette. I think she's like a YouTuber, social media person. Not really sure. I'll be sure to check out her social medias because they are listed on the back. But this is her palette that she got to make, which I think is super cool. So this company works with YouTubers and influencers, and they make their own palettes, which is really fun. And then after that, it's just like a piece of styrofoam that's black, and that is the palette. So this is what you see when you open it up. It's so cute. I love it. And I think they have mascara, and I think this is their first time ever like including a mascara, so I'm super excited to try this out later today. I'll be sure to film a get ready with me, but this mascara looks really nice. So this is just how the packaging looks, and we'll open it up and see what it looks like. Oh guys, this looks nice. It's like a really nice consistency. I'm super excited to try this out. Basically, Scarlet's what it is a makeup subscription. Sorry, my phone just went off. But it's a makeup subscription, and you get a palette or like a little box like this, like the kit, every 2 months, and it covers your whole face in makeup. It has highlight, mascara, like a lip product, just everything that does your whole face, and I think it's $29.99, so that's awesome. And we're gonna open up the palette now because it looks so pretty. So this is the Scarlet. It just looks like this. Super cool. And then I'm just gonna slide it open. Guys, this is so cool. And it just looks like this, and the back of it is the Scarlet edition number 9, which is so cool that they're doing this. And you open it up, and that is the palette. So I'm guessing that's a highlight, kind of like a bronze blush, and some eyeshadows. The eyeshadows are just gorgeous, you guys. I can't wait to try them on. So new at this. Okay, there's like a little piece of plastic. Oh, okay. Open up this side, and it has those lip colors, which I just think are so pretty, and then there's this little piece of plastic. And aren't those just so gorgeous, you guys? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try these out. You guys know I've been getting into makeup, and I got my first PR package, and this is like my second one, I guess. I'm just so excited and so beyond grateful. So thank you so much, Scarlet, for sending this to me. I'm so excited to try it out, and I'll be sure to make some more Instagram makeup videos. But I will have a special link for you guys down below, so you can get 30% off your first of this edition. subscription. I'm so excited. I think you guys will really love it. I'm so excited to try it. The quality I've seen on Instagram, because I did search it, looks amazing, and everyone's tutorials are so fun. So I'm super excited to join that little community of trying that out. So I'm super excited about this. I'm so grateful. So thank you again for sending that to me. And then the next package is from, oh no, people are showing up at my house. We're gonna do this one real quick. Okay, this one is from Scentbird, and they're located in New York. The packaging is just black, and you open it up and it's like this inside, and there's two little packages of perfume, because Scentbird is a perfume subscription, which I'm super excited to try it out. So this is the little flyer in it. It says, "Hello beautiful," and it basically tells you how to use the spray on the back. I am sorry, my family is so loud. What I love about this is I personally love switching up my perfumes. I have quite a collection of perfumes, and I honestly don't wear the same perfume every single day, so I'm super excited to try this scent out. And they mentioned on their website, it's like you get to date the perfume before you buy it, which I think is so important, because I personally love perfumes, but they can be kind of expensive, and with Scentbird it's only $10 a month with my coupon code. But basically it's really awesome because you don't have to commit to buying a full bottle, which I think is really important, because I like certain scents, but I only like wearing them for a certain amount of time. This one is Candy by Prada, which I've always wanted to try this, but I just could not commit to buying the whole thing, so I'm super excited to wear it out. And I also got my cape, and I'm super excited. This one smells so good. It kind of smells like vanilla or something. Basically you just twist it open and you spray it on, which is so easy. It's super quick and easy, and it has like 30 days worth of perfume depending on how much perfume you wear. But I seriously love wearing perfume, but I love switching it up because I don't like wearing the same perfume, and I feel like your perfume just kind of depends on your mood and everything. So I'm super excited to try this out. Again, I have it listed down below if you want to check it out. It's only $10 a month, which is so cool. There's so many top designer brands to choose from. There's just so many like really popular ones as well, so I think you guys will really like it. And I'll list the ones I'm trying out down below too if you want to twin with me. I really like this one. I know I'm going to be wearing it a ton. I'm so grateful and so happy Scentbird wanted to reach out to me, and I hope you guys are excited too. But this seriously smells so good, and I'm also just so grateful they sent me the Deca Scarlet's palette as well. I'm going to be trying that out later tonight. We're going out tonight so we can spice up our makeup look with something new. I'm just so excited, but my family is here for the party. I have to get going, but I'll update you guys with the vlog after they leave, just because I don't want to shove a camera in their face. So I really hope you respect that and understand that. It's gonna be super fun, and it's just gonna be a few hours, and then I'll bring you guys along with me for the rest of my day. I still have to drink my smoothie. I haven't ate anything yet, and they're here, and I'm just like, oh my goodness. But that is the update. I'll update you guys later. Oh, and I'm just wearing like this pink Lacoste polo, and I have on a golf skirt, but since I'm like need to go downstairs, I'll update you guys when we're done. Oh. The party is over. It was so much fun seeing everyone, and lots of good snacks. I had a brownie. It was so delicious, you guys. But I want to show you guys my outfit real fast. I'm going to be running to Target because I have to pick up a few things for the upcoming week. I need like protein bars, some self-tanner, just like stuff like that. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me, but I want to show you guys my outfit. I think it's really cute, and it's really casual, but like cute and everything. So I'm going to show you guys in my big OOTD mirror. Also, please ignore the mess in the background. I have like dirty laundry in here, so you know, we're just going to ignore that. But I just have on this pink Lacoste polo. It's one of my favorite polos ever. I've had it the longest probably, and I just love how bright the pink is. Then I have this super cute golf skirt from Sydney Elizabeth. Worn one of her outfits earlier this year, and it's so cute. I'll have it listed down below if you want to check it out. It has these little arrows on it. I just think it's so flattering and super cute, and it has like shorts underneath, so it's so nice for a party. Then I just have on my platinum jacks, and I have hot pink nails. I painted them yesterday. Absolutely love this nail polish, and just cute little accessories. Also repping my big scrunchie because you never know when you need to pull your hair back, but I seriously am just like obsessed with these. But we're gonna go to Target now. I'm done rambling. They have scrunchies. Okay, I get some AC. It's so hot, you guys. I wanted to pick up self-tanner, but they didn't have the shade that I like, so I don't know, I might try a different store. But I also want to get my car cleaned today too, so we're gonna do that as well. The car wash is so busy. I'm getting my car cleaned at Mike's, and it's just crazy. But I switched over to the passenger seat because, fun fact, I'm so scared to driving my car into the car wash because I think you have to get it on the wheels onto the ramp, and I just don't think I can do it. So thankfully, I don't have to, but we're gonna get my car cleaned. I'm so excited. It's so dirty on the outside, so it's a perfect day for it. It's nice and sunny. It's super sunny outside now. So I'm just gonna go home and probably take a little break. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like really winded from having that little get together at our house. So that is the current plans right now. Guys, I have been laying in bed since I got home from running all those errands. I literally like just needed a break. So it's been like half an hour, so I'm gonna get up now because I need to go do like a mini photo shoot for Instagram because I need some more pictures for this upcoming week. I typically shoot all my pictures on the weekend. I got my bag packed. I did that last night before the party and everything because I knew I was gonna be really busy today, but I like need pictures. So that is what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm super excited. I seriously love using Instagram. It's probably one of my favorite social medias. Like YouTube and Instagram are like my top two, you know? So I'm super excited. If you haven't checked it out, again, it's just at Kellyprepster, but we're gonna go take some pictures now. Just finished up our photo shoot. I'm so excited. We got super cute outfits, and now I'm just gonna swing by the post office because I have to drop my sticker giveaway into the mail, but we got a little bit of a drive because we're out around town taking these photos, and I'm so excited. The locations are so pretty and there's so many flowers and the outfits are so cute. Real shine though. Just got that in the mail. I'm so excited for the sticker giveaway winner to receive her stickers. I'm so excited. I love hosting those sticker giveaways. But I am on my way home. Me and my family are gonna have dinner tonight, and then a few of my friends are going out. I think we're going to the pool, so I'm super excited because it's still sunny and warm, but I'll keep you guys updated. I have my swimsuit on. It's super cute. It's a one piece. I switched it up today. And my dress on from Everything 5 pounds on top of it. It makes a perfect pool cover up. I got my sunnies, and I just put on the Candy by Prada perfume that I got from Scentbird. It smells so good. You know what it smells like to me? It reminds me of like the Abercrombie stores, how they smell. It just smells so good. I definitely recommend it. Again, if you want to check out Scentbird, I'll have it listed down below. You can get 30% off with my coupon code. Also, don't forget to check out Deck of Scarlet, the makeup palette. I didn't get to try it out just because I'm going to the pool. I don't feel the need to put more makeup on, but I'm sure I will film a Instagram video with it very soon. I know I'm going to do that. Don't worry. But I want to show you guys my outfit before I head out the door, and then I'm going to go. I just don't want to bring my camera with me because we're going to be at like a pool party, and I don't want anything to happen to my camera. But I'm going to show you guys my outfit, then I'm going to hit the road because I have to get going. This is just how cute the dress is. It's so simple. I absolutely love it. I have the straps tied as tight as they can go just because it's quite big on me. My swimsuit is blue and white striped. It's super cute. I absolutely love it, and I got it at TJ Maxx. I think I shared it in a haul recently. I can't remember where I got it. And I just have my little heart necklace on. I have my Ray-Ban aviators in this dress, my sandals from France. I just think it's so cute, and I do have my pool bag. So if you haven't seen this video, I shared everything that's inside of it, but it's super cute. I think it's just gonna go so well with my outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it to get notified every time I upload my newest videos. I have so many videos planned for this week. I'm super excited, so definitely subscribe so you can get notified. Follow me on Instagram so you can see my pictures. I have some really fun outfits planned out. The photo shoot today was so much fun, and it's just been like a really busy but fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a great day as well. Stay positive. It's going to be a great week. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon with my next video. Bye, guys!